Yo, what's good, everybody? The whole purpose of this whole entire video is to show you how you can become the best version of yourself and how to get the best shape of your life. This is a background for the people who do not know who I am. My name is Aiden Chapman. I was a skinny basketball player who bulked up 30 to 40 pounds naturally. I wasn't just able to do it for myself. I was able to do it for a lot of my clients.
I was freaking dying, bro. I was freaking 300 and 20 pounds, and now I'm sitting at like 271 right now.
I had the work ethic, but I didn't know where to put it. And so you having the blueprint, I was able to gain that 30 pounds, bro. It's been life changing for sure. At 120, 125, bro. Now I'm like 155, 160.
3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies. I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us.
This video is for people who is serious and not curious. If you're just looking for entertainment, just swipe off the video because this video isn't for you. This is for people who want to get in the best shape in 2026 and who actually is serious on leveling up. I'm not going to waste any of you guys' time. Let's get straight into the video. So the 3 main things of getting in shape is, first, you need to know that it's 80% diet and 20% lifting weights. A lot of you guys think that it's the other way around. You're going to the gym a lot, and this is why you're seeing no results. You have to understand it's what you put into your body. Your body is your temple, so put the right foods into your body. So remember, it's 80% diet and 20% lifting. 2, you have to understand the proper split. You have to understand the best split for you. There's so many splits out there. There's the push-pull legs. There's the Arnold splits. There's so many splits to choose from. But you have to understand what is best for you. And it could be different from somebody who is working a 9 to 5 versus somebody who got a lot of time on their hands. So choose the right split, and that's how you are able to see the right result. Number 3 is supplements. You have to put the right supplements into your body and understand that supplements is the icing on the cake. It isn't everything, but it does add to the value. Understand that supplements is the icing on the cake once again. It's not for you to not work out and then take supplements. No, you have to do both. You still have to work out. These are the 3 main core things that would change everything for you and help you get to that next level and become the best version of yourself. Now, I want you to understand that everything is going to be different from everybody. You know, your situation is different from somebody else watching this. This is something general and it's not customized to you. So if you want something more customized, something that is customized to you, and we know exactly what is your goals and what you're struggling with, listen, text this number 713-637-9225. If you want a game plan specific to you and you want to know the right things that is for you, text this number once again, 713-637-9225. Listen, we're going to come up with a game plan that will change your whole entire life, something that is specific to you, and understand that there's no strings attached. You know, this is a completely free call, and what we're going to do is just see your goals and how we can get you to the goals the fastest and how we can level up and become the best version of ourselves. I want you guys to understand that you cannot do it by yourself. You need somebody holding you accountable, somebody that can teach you the right things, the right methods, and shortcut the process for you. If you do it alone, it's going to take very, very, very long time, and you do not want to waste that time. You might as well get somebody who has already done it to teach so you won't bang your head against the wall over and over and over again. I could not imagine if I was still the same size if I kept doing it myself. I invest thousands of dollars into mentorship to help me get to that next level and become the best version of myself. I already know you've been doing yourself for years and years and years, and you see the same results. And that's because you just don't know how to get there. But if you have somebody who already knew how to get there, who already got the results, then that person can help you with that and help you see those corners that you cannot see and help you get to that next level quicker. I couldn't imagine being that skinny kid, staying the same, uncomfortable, wearing my shirt in the pool, not excited with the body that I have, was just skinny, insecure, mad at the world, balling all my emotions because I was so skinny. Like, I couldn't imagine just being that skinny kid for the next 10 to 15 years. That's why I decided to make a change. Listen, if you're tired of where you're at, text this number 713-637-9225 and let's book a call and get you to that next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.